Welcome back to Waymaker. I busted up my steering wheel collection because I was so hyped that we got the parts back. Freshly painted. Bumper is back, skirt is back, and I also got the D-Max lift spoiler. Also, Jonas got his mirrors. Paint matched as well, finally. New mirrors, the Aero mirrors. So yeah, let's put the car back together. Get it ready for Spain. Shout out Nebby for getting this destroyed bumper all fresh and shiny again. Was a challenge, he said. He's not happy. He said I should buy a new kit, but I'm sure he can fix it again. So we are test fitting the D-Max lip on different cars. It looks pretty cool on all of them, to be honest. Like on this car, it's a little bit, should be a little bit rounder, I think, because the bumper is like this, but it still looks good. But on the FC, it looks pretty sick as well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Color combination is also crazy. Do you like it?
Yes, nice.
It's nice seeing my car back together for the first time in a while. Like full kit, color matched. Looks pretty good. I'm not sure if I like it with or without the wing. Like the S14 has such a nice boot lid on itself. From this view I like it a lot, it's pretty sick. From here I like it too. From the rear I think it's also pretty cool. But from the front, I don't know. From here I think I like it more without. I mean it looks pretty sick. I'm unsure. So would you do it?
No.
So let me know in the chat, should I do it or not? In the chat, in the comments. Is that a bit of Twitch stream out?
Yeah.
New setup. Switch to the dark side.
Please don't film me at my lowest. It's a sad world we live in.
Yeah, so I sold these wheels to a friend in Spain, and I need my KFs to drift. So he had to give me back the wheels. Shout out Urs for these NKs.
Yeah, I got them from Urs just to put on for now because I'm gonna measure my Serbs soon to build them, so I can finally have swag again.
What's your opinion on D-Max wing? Should I put it on?
I really like it. I've always been a fan of flat wings, like drag wings or stuff like that. And I think it makes the back of the car look a little bit more aggressive. And it really fits the car. I fuck with it. So as you all saw on the last video, we all took apart our fucking speedometers. And I did the sticker things like a few weeks back. I cut out the little spider from the Waymaker sticker. Shout out S14 loyalty. And now I drew some spider webs, just like here. Yeah, I'm not really happy with it, but
I think it's pretty cool.
From a distance it looks good, but the pen really sucks. I should have stole it. If you ever take this shit apart, it's really easy. It's like fucking Lego. You can just clip it together.
Just be careful with these old clips.
Yeah, sadly, here from the pre-owner, one is snapped off, but it still holds perfectly, so it's no difference.
I think on mine one is snapped as well. Doesn't matter at all.
Makes no difference, but it's still sad.
Sad is that you fucked up a pretty OEM piece.
Yeah, so it's together now. The plexiglass is a little bit scratched, but yeah, like it's 35 years old. And I put in some purple
haze
and some purple LEDs, so the numbers will glow in purple because I'm going for purple on the interior.
Purple.
Yeah. Shout out Jimi Hendrix.
So after looking at pics for a day and looking at the car for a while, I think I will put it on. I like it. It's super cool without, but I've been running it for like 5 years without the wing, so I think something new is cool. I think I'll measure it and put some tape on it, and then put it on. I mean, it is cool without a wing.
Yeah, no doubt.
I always like it without a wing. Maybe I'll get a second trunk lid so I can like have 2 setups, a wingless setup and a wing setup.
You want to do a little test drive, just a few meters. But yeah, I think
What's up?
yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
Oh, it's gonna scratch. Oh, okay.
Steering check.
How does it feel?
Maybe some air still in the system. Feels a little bit stiff.
Sauhund.
So as part of Euroslide prep, I also changed up some boost lines. So I want to check if the car still builds boost. So I will just like do, once it's warmed up, do some quick pulls here, like just to see if everything still works. And if it does, I think I'm pretty much ready for Euroslide this week.
Schätzlos.
I think I never tightened my wheel. And my wheel is too deep.
Oh man. Tweaker Arschalter.
So let's see.
Ja, hättest du gar nicht mehr so kontrollieren.
I think I gave it enough with the Schlagschrauber.
Okay, the car warmed up a little bit. Took the sweet spot. Damn. Oh. That does not sound good. Maybe the exhaust. Yes, something is not good. Something sounds really weird. But the car looks so fucking sick. Cool to see it out again. I'm really hyped for fucking spring and summer.
I think it's still working. It's kind of hard to tell on this wet ground, but I think it still builds boost. So it's alright. You probably heard the rattling, and that was the exhaust hitting my drive shaft because I put it higher up. Sometimes it's hitting the drive shaft, but it's okay. It will be okay. So I tried to measure the middle of both parts, lined it up, and I think it looks pretty good now. I think I clean it off now and then put it on for real. So I'm using this stuff from Bound Hobby for the Jumbo. So I hope this will be enough. Don't want to go all the way to the outside because I don't think it's hidden there, so. That's pretty good. So now I'll just tape it down. So it stays where it is. I want it to sit nice and flat, so that's why I'm adjusting it at the moment. So I like how it sits now. I think it's pretty middle. The gaps are not too big. Would look even better with over fenders. So I'll do the same here on the side skirts to get these in here. Build up a good amount. Maybe needs a little bit more. Don't think it's making contact. And now gonna tie it to the car with some tape. Let it dry overnight and tomorrow it should be good. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. So I did the same thing on this side. Now it's on nice and tight again. We'll let this dry overnight. Oh fuck. Like that. So the car is pretty much ready for Spain. It's looking pretty fucking good like this. I'm hyped, haven't seen it in a long time. This nice. Also I put the wing on. I also just sold my other set of Blitz, so I'm feeling pretty rich. Jonas is working on his radio. Nein, was machst du? Jonas is working on his everything. Think it will be back together in like 2 minutes. I took off all the tape and everything looks to be pretty sturdy. This is holding good. This just holds pretty good as well, so things should be fine. Seeing both cars move again feels like summer. First time in a while for Jonas to put his car on the lift. Are you having fun? It's always a pain with these cars, especially with the big skirts. So my car was on the lift for a long time, but now I'm going to Spain, so Jonas put his car on the lift. And he's, in my opinion, doing a very cool mod finally. So he's gonna get a little bit more front camber, which will look great with this kit. Will make a big difference, I think. And yeah, I think he will do this while I'm down in Spain. Yes, time and no one to annoy him. So yeah, maybe Pinto's gonna come annoy him, but... So it's Wednesday afternoon. I took the day off work to prep my car. Right now I'm checking air pressure on all these tires. Some of them I flipped over. Like I already ran this side, but this side is still new because I'm running like 5 or 6 degrees of camber in the rear. So I will run them again, just flip the tires. But yeah, making sure all of these are aired up to the correct amount. And then I will find out how I can fit this all inside my car. Car looks amazing in the sunlight. Haven't seen it like this in a while. So Mr. Cornflakes Future just pulled up. We're gonna go get the trailer now. Doe echt aanstelling vooral, het is YouTube video. Vierer, Alter, vierer. Wat filmst je?
Reden we English?
Yes.
We speak English. Okay.
Once more, super sketchy shit to get the car on the trailer. Another sketchy setup.
Sketchy as always, but it's been sketchier.
Ja, komm langsam. Komm langsam, that's what she said, oder? Ja, nicht schlecht, glaub ich.
The oil coolers maybe.
No, should be fine.
Dann geht's schon, bevor auch dann
Das sollte schon gehen, ja.
langsam. Ja, doch, ein paar Millimeter Shit. Alter.
Orko.
Warte, schau, ob die Karre noch gerade ist. Fühl ein bisschen.
Viel, nicht so viel. Ja, so lange schon.
Ich würde so
What are we thinking? Not the worst.
ich würde sagen, scheiße, das beste Mal.
Yeah.
Nichts ist
Sad, but this was like one of our best times loading.
Nothing scratch.
Yeah, Tomodori 25. After the event was perfect.
Yeah.
So a statement.
Hey, nein, aber nicht ohne meinen Kanga. Jacklings.
Was noch?
Kitty kitties.
Was hast du?
Gummy bears. Roller dogs.
No roller dogs! So I think the worst is over, at least it's up there. Just pulling it out.
Shout out, Habar Skateboards.
Ich habe den großen Mitzug.
Kind an.
Wow, look wie das Feld aussieht.
So we're almost done with prep and loading as well. Car's pretty full.
Sheesh.
Big help to Cornflakes future. Big
Got all the drugs in here, yeah.
big thanks for Cornflakes future. Smuggling some shit for him. Car didn't even fall off the trailer so far, so I'm pretty hyped. I lost. Was hast du spannend auf Englisch?
Big zip tie.
I lost one big zip tie and didn't find it, so I had to like improvise with another one.
But why are you not taking the Audi?
Too much power.
Yeah.
I like the low power.
The low power.
Low power.
Low power.
We're pretty much done. Tomorrow morning at 8 we'll leave. Würelos is um 9. Gonna meet Mario at Würelos at 9.
Bro, you're gonna get in traffic jam so bad, no?
I hope we're a little bit behind the traffic jams.
No, definitely not.
I think traffic. Oh, it's gonna be good. I can feel it's gonna be great. I just hope my tow car survives. That's kind of my biggest worry. I hope both tow cars make it. Because it's like 17 or 18 hour drive. And if one of them breaks down, we're kind of fucked. That's why we're doing it in 2 days.
Nein, weißt du, einfach so.
Hey, dumb. So we're doing more Euroslide prep, getting matching getting matching hair for the car.
Du hast gar keine Nailmuster auf dem Auto.
Doch,
Das ist so
hinten.
ein Cap, Alter. Scheiß Lügenpresse.
I hope they don't fuck it up. I think
It's kinda fucked up.
I chose the two most trustworthy guys for this shit.
Du machst selber Sau. Ich kann es gerade abmachen. That's Jesus.
So be honest, does it look good?
Jawohl. Sicher sieht es gut aus, Alter.
Sicher, ich finde es schon easy.
Trust the process.
Also wir werden ja nicht mal zahlt dafür.
I'm on the Gooner platform.
We fucked.
So see you tomorrow. Ready for Euroslide. Good night.